Hey everyone, it's Sean with Emassagechair. In this video, we're going to take a look at the features of the Ceragem S4 Massage Lounger and what makes it very different from a traditional massage chair. This is not designed to knead muscles. It's a therapeutic bed built to work directly with your spine and help with decompression. The Ceragem S4 uses a roller system with 4 massage nodes. This is a 3D rolling system that travels up and down the spine. It applies focused pressure designed to mobilize spinal joints rather than massage muscle tissue. As the rollers move along the spine, they gently push upward to help mobilize stuck or fixated joints. This motion affects the vertebrae, discs, ligaments, muscles, and tendons surrounding the spine. When I used it for the first time, I felt a lot of movement and several pops along my back. That's exactly what spinal mobilization is designed to do. This type of therapy can help in a few ways. It may accelerate recovery from injury. It can also help restore normal range of motion in the spine. It can reduce muscle spasm caused by postural weakness or spinal stress. And it can increase blood flow to the spinal tissue, supporting balance and strength. One of the standout features of the S4 is the design. In the closed position, it looks like a clean, modern ottoman or lounger. When you're ready to use it, you just flip up the large cushion, remove the smaller one, and it unfolds into a full therapeutic bed. It's compact, space-saving, and designed for everyday use. The fabric feels soft, durable, and high quality. The S4 includes spinal analysis with body adaptive scanning. That means it adjusts automatically to your height and the curvature of your spine since everyone is different. Short and tall users can both use it comfortably. I'm 6'1" and I still had plenty of coverage. You can definitely go a lot taller without an issue. The Ceragem S4 also includes precision heating that goes all the way up to 149 degrees. It gets hot, real hot, and that deep heat feels great along the spine. It helps everything relax and improves the effectiveness of each session. The S4 targets key areas including the neck, shoulders, back, waist, and pelvis. These are the areas most commonly affected by posture and daily stress. In addition to spinal therapy and decompression, the S4 also includes abdominal heating with gentle vibration to help support circulation and relaxation. You have a total of 12 routines to choose from. 7 program modes and 5 manual modes give you flexibility depending on how much control you want. The Ceragem S4 is a very unique wellness product. It combines spinal mobilization, heat therapy, and thoughtful design into a system that's easy to use and easy to live with. If your goal is spinal health rather than a traditional muscle massage, the S4 is absolutely worth considering. If you have questions about the Ceragem S4 Massage Lounger, reach out to one of our massage chair experts at Emassagechair.com. We're always happy to help, and thanks for watching.